Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the account or device privileges to change hotspot behavior. Once confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet or Connections. This is where tethering controls live. Tap Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot to reveal the hotspot controls and notification options. Don't pause to search other menus. This path is the direct route. If you see a status toggle, leave it alone for now. You're collecting the controls you'll change in the next step. Once in the hotspot panel, first toggle off the portable hotspot to stop broadcasting. That often removes the persistent notification. Next, open Apps and Notifications, find System UI or Settings, then Notifications, locate hotspot-related channels and turn them off or set to silent. Make sure to check battery or data saver exceptions because some power controls restore services and bring back notifications. If a carrier app shows hotspot alerts, disable its notifications. To finish, restart the device so settings and notification channels apply correctly. This usually clears the persistent hotspot banner. If the notification reappears, go back to Apps, force stop the settings or System UI process and recheck channels. If needed, temporarily disable a carrier or third-party tethering app. As a troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode. If the notification disappears there, a third-party app is causing it. Make sure to re-enable essential services and document any changes so you can reverse them if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.